hotel, it opened in 2021 during COVID. So it looks so clean and new and well maintained. We are going
on a bed.
Welcome to our room tour. So we'll start off with the bathroom. The first look is very spacious. There's a tub and a separate shower. You can show the room! But I must say that the bathtub is a bit small. I mean, for us, small size Asians is okay, but if like Angmohs, they are taller and bigger built, this will be like... The toilet bowl looks different. It's not automated. Okay, the toilet bowl is normal and we have a sink area, a very spacious vanity and a mirror to see all my pimples. There's complimentary toiletries, shower cap, vanity kit, even sewing kit. Oh wow, it's cute. What do we have here? Bathrobes! Oh, there's even a... Wow, they provide iron in all the rooms. Well, usually you have to have it on request, but they give it to you straight. A hairdryer, slippers, bedroom slippers, shoe polish, and the mandatory full-length mirror. And this is the bedroom! It's very nice how the fan is automatically turned on.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
But I'm amazed at this. Wow! A very own bar. It's too big for us. It's bigger than the one at home.
This looks amazing.
Yeah. No, I'm just like, wow, this room itself is so big. Okay, let's see what's in the drawer. Oh, nothing. Okay, a fridge. Our bar room fridge. Yeah, so you can see the shower here. Wall lights. And the TV. It looks very new. I'm hoping it has it's a smart TV. Okay, and here another vanity area. And a very nice study lamp. Wow, this is gonna be my space. It's time. Wow! We got a nice view! Our room is the front-facing rooms of the hotel, so you get to see the whole vast scenery of Tanah Rata.
That's the terminal over there.
The highlight of this hotel is that it's perched on a hill, so we get better views than other hotels. And a huge bed. We're going to this.
We're on the way to Stella Cafe for our first meal.
Stella Cafe is like a cafe inside a camping site that sells food and drinks, but we heard that the food and drinks may not be so good, so we're just gonna check it out just for the sake of checking it out and show you guys. Yeah, and then after that we'll be heading to Jim Thompson tea room for some high tea. 30 minutes. What's that?
You have to pay 10 ringgit each for an entrance voucher, and then you can use this to offset your food and drink purchase.
It's like a super pretty cafe with natural light. And over there, opposite, there's the caravan. Shall we order? Ice latte?
Ice latte. So we got a bihun siam and then ice latte.
It actually looks not bad. Like there's even fresh prawns. The portion is quite big.
This is 22 RM and that's 15.
The noodles are cooked very nicely, but it's a bit bland. Like it needs more seasoning. Yeah. The egg, not the kind of runny egg that I like. but crispy. How many bit of prawns? So, okay, there's a lot of flies. So the online reviews say that their food and drinks are not very wow, but I guess it's still acceptable. Just that it's on a pricier side because of the location and the whole setting. So that's what you're paying for. The prawns look very fresh. They're not frozen. It's good. Maybe a little sambal. The flies are all attacking my phone.
That was a really quick bite, about half an hour. Now we're heading to
Hi tea! More food! Here at Cameron Highlands Resort, where Jim Thompson tea room is, we wanted to stay in this resort, but all the rooms were sold out. I feel like I teleported to England or something. So Cameron Highlands has a British colony history that explains of the design of the building. It's a set menu with like savoury and sweet, coffee and tea. Then you can choose the different tea flavours. And this is the price.
Thank you. Here we have the chef's choice of cakes and pastries, smoked salmon, egg mayo, chicken, and cream cheese with cucumber watercress sandwich. Interesting. And the scones smelled amazing.
English scones with chocolate and clotted cream. Let me try the scones alone. The outside is crusty, and the inside is dense, but not too dense. I really like it. We decided to give this place a try because I don't think you can find anything like that in Singapore. And for the price, RM 130 per couple, 40-ish SGD, I think it is worth it for the ambience. Just look behind me. Everywhere I turn, it's just so pretty. I don't know where to start taking pictures from.
I really love how they combine a tea house with that English bar. There's a billiards table behind this, and there's fireplace over there as well.
It's like on a cruise,
Oh yes.
right? Since we're in the Jim Thompson tea room, do you know who Jim Thompson is? He is the man who revived the Thai soap industry. He suddenly went missing during a stroll in Cameron Highlands in 1967. How they found out his disappearance was that he did not appear for tea one day. So they went to his house to search, and they discovered that his jacket was found on a chair, a cup of tea on a table, and a half-smoked cigar rested against an ashtray. No one knows for sure until today what happened to him.
Maybe this was the seat.
Are you sure this is his house? Where's my ashtray? There are some theories out there. Some say that he was attacked and killed by a tiger. Some say that he simply got lost and he was swallowed up by the dense jungle. And maybe he was kidnapped because he was allegedly known as a US intelligence agent. You never know. But I like the tiger one.
Hey Jim Thompson, thanks for having us. We're done with high tea, and guess where we're headed to next?
To eat again! We're going to the Pasar Malar that is about 10 minutes walk away. It has like shopping and food. So I think we'll shop first and probably by supper.
You're gonna get so fat. This is just day one.
Time check. It is 6:30.
We're here at the start of the night market. Yeah, this is the shopping section. And then I think over on the other end is the food section. And it's actually quite near the Stella Cafe that we were at previously. This is here, just in case we need it. So that was just the clothing section. And here there are fruits, snacks and
Honey.
yeah, honey and all the random stuff that you want to find. Wow, there's a lot of dried fruits.
Dried strawberry. The white corn looks so good.
Oh,
This
grilled
is
corn.
The strawberry bag. The gate.
You want?
Here we are. They're all so cute. Oh my god. It's quite addictive. I think it's a snail or slug. The color looks off.
Artificially colored.
Yeah.
Oh, these flowers are cute.
It looks like sand. It really does.
Donuts.
With pandan sauce and chili sauce. Cucumbers are so big. Is this the lime?
Honey lime.
Oh my gosh, it's so big. It's the size of my wrist. We're getting that. 4 pieces for 15 RM, so-called Cambodian sausage.
There's chicken and beef. So we're getting mixed.
Yay!
Thank you. Some snacks for the night.
Our first purchase.
So smoky here. What's happening?
Charcoal grill. Let's get this.
Yeah.
What just happened? We are trying to find transport back to our hotel, and miraculously, we managed to get a Grab. Yay! If not, the other option is to call up the taxi company and like let them quote you a one-way price. This is the first time we are back so early.
We are back in our hotel. It's around 8 o'clock now, 8 p.m. It's been a really long journey today. We were out since yesterday evening, and so we're back early and we will rest.
But first, let's check out the night view.
Oh,
Oh, it's a bit misty tonight.
wow.
Can you hear the crickets? It's so peaceful.
Good night.
Okay, good night.
You're sleeping here tonight. Oh,
Wait. Oh my god!
you
I
almost ran into the
fell.
glass.
I really need to rest now. Okay, bye. Oh! Come into the bathroom. You can enjoy the view of me.
Hai Ti Lau.
Yeah, strawberry nasi lemak with strawberry curry. I smell all the strawberries.
Oh yeah, it smells so good. We're at the Bo Tea Center.
Yo. Hi.